Hello guys, welcome to Opportunity Nanny. If you're just coming across this video for the first time, please watch to the end. Check out our other videos. We have scholarship in different countries, scholarship for master's, scholarship for PhD programs, and scholarship for bachelor's degree. So if you're interested, just look around and just look around and see what you want to apply for. And also, I'm always in the comment section, so if you have any question, please do let me know. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and also share to people that you think will be interested. To our returning subscribers, thank you guys for sticking around. Please make sure you like this video, and also if you're not subscribed, because my analytics is showing me that about 70-something% of people that watch this video are not subscribed. I do not know why. Please, you encourage me by hitting that subscribe button and also watching till the end. So today we are going to be looking at the prestigious fully funded Erasmus Mundus scholarship. Now this scholarship covers everything from visa application, funding, travel expenses, everything. Now, the unique thing about this scholarship is that it offers you opportunity to study at different universities. So if you get a funding for a course you are interested in, you are going to be taking that course in at least 2, 3, or 4 partner universities. Do you understand? So you can do first semester in maybe Rome, second semester in Italy. So if you like traveling, if you want to see the world, this is a good way to see the world without any cost from your own self. So they're going to be paying for it, they're going to be paying for your moving and everything. So it's just very, very interesting. You also get to integrate, you get to meet different people, experience different culture. You get to meet different people and experience different culture. It's just an amazing opportunity, and I would encourage those that are interested to please apply. It's very, very nice. Now, the thing about this scholarship is that not all are open now. Some have been open since, some are opening next week, some are opening next 2 weeks. So you want to make sure that the one you're interested in, you track it so that you can apply for it when it opens. Do you understand? Now let's now show you how to apply. Now this is the Erasmus Mundus catalog. Now what we did is that I filtered it. So the year of projection is 2023. That's the last year that they have here, 2023. So you can also streamline your field of study. So it's possible to streamline your field of study. Do you want something? Do you want to study something agroeconomics or agric? Do you want to study something art? Do you want to study something chemistry? You can click on that. But because I'm not particular about what I want, I'm selecting all just so that I can see what I want. So once you click on search, it's going to bring out this. So this is every course that they are offering, and it's for masters. Now you can see, one thing I like about them is that they usually have, some of the courses usually have like unique names. So this is called, like, the masters in geo resource engineering is called Emerald. Do you understand? So if you're interested in that, you click on it, check it out. I'm just going to be picking something that I like, that looks interesting. We have master's program in public policy, master's program in imaging, in risk assessment and management of civil infrastructure. Interesting things. So I'm going to be picking European Master of Science in Skin Health and Care, just because my sister loves skincare. So I'm just going to be picking this for her. And the short form or the abbreviation for this is called Emotion. So you're going to be seeing like Erasmus Mundus scholarship Emotion. So that's something like that. So if you are interested, let's first click on this link. So once we click on this link, it's going to take us to this page. Now in this page, I'm just going to see an overview of this scholarship. Now you're going to be covering 3 countries. Some you cover 4, but for this particular master's program is 3 countries. So let's just check out the partner countries. Now you're going to be schooling in University of Miguel Hernandez in Spain. You're also going to be schooling in University the ASBO in Belgium. So you are going to Spain, you are going to Belgium, and you are also going to Italy. You're also going to Italy. So yeah, this is the coordinating school. You are going to Italy. So these are the 3 countries you are going to participate in, or you are going to be doing your masters in. Now please, just a little tip, make sure that you memorize this country in your head, and also you know what country you are starting your first semester in, because I've seen a situation when they ask someone during interview, because most of Erasmus Mundus, if you are selected, you'll be called for interview. I've seen a situation where they ask somebody, okay, where are you going to do your first semester, and they picked another country instead of the country that is indicated here. So it's usually indicated, usually they write it which country you are going to do your first semester. So just make sure you read that. It's just a tip. So let's go back and let's now check out. Let's click on this link. We clicked on this link before, so let's click on this link. So once you click on this link, it's going to take you to this page. Now this page, we can see that this is the page for Emotion. That is the master scholarship in skin health and care. Now the application will open November 1st and close January 31st. I told you that most of all these scholarships, they don't have the same opening and closing dates, so you want to check it out. Now they just gave us a quick overview of what this program is about. If you're interested, how many people they have offered scholarship to, how many students and alumni they have, and just everything. You can just read it just to get a feel if you're interested in. So let me just scroll up and let's click on this link, so it will take us to what we need to know about this information for applying. So once you click on this link, it's going to take you to this page. Now in this page, you are seeing the overview. So now they have 3 different candidates: Erasmus scholarship applicants, non-fee paying self-funded applicants, and fee paying self-funded applicants. We are looking at Erasmus scholarship applicants, so that's what we're going to be focusing on. So they said students with Erasmus plus scholarship, you're going to be receiving up to 1,400 euros per month for a maximum of 24 months. That's 2 years. Most Erasmus scholarship are usually, or master's program are usually for 2 years. So you're going to be collecting 1,400 euros per month. You do not have to pay any participation cost. Your health insurance, university registration, and student services will be covered. The only thing is that you may be required for this particular masters, you may be required to cover the cost of your mobility, maybe like your travel, your visa, and your resident permit. You may be required for that. It does not mean that other scholarship also require you to do that. Depending on the cost, some of them will cover that. Now, that's that about that. So let's scroll down. Now they said candidates who already benefited from this EMGM is a different kind of Erasmus scholarship. If you have benefited from it, you are not eligible to apply for Erasmus scholarship. So this is just the intake. Application rounds open November 1st. I told you 31st January. This is for Erasmus candidates. Let me now scroll down. So what is the entry requirement? So your bachelor's degree. You should have a bachelor's degree from a recognized higher education institute and a background in both biology and chemistry based on your academic record is required based on the course. This is what they want. Now they said you can find a list of degrees that are also admitted. So if you don't have a background in biology or chemistry, you can check out this degree list. Also other similar degrees you can also apply even if your course is not there in the list. If you're interested, you can still apply. You are required to provide documentation of a finalized first degree by the deadline of application. That's a transcript with the final grade. So you're supposed to provide that of your bachelor's degree. Now English certification, let's check that out. Now, proof of English proficiency documented by an internationally recognized certificate for non-native speaker of English. So if your first language is English, if you are a native speaker of English, then you don't have to worry about providing this. But if not, these are the accepted certificate, IELTS, TOEFL. You can check that out, and the minimum score. The provided countries that are considered as native English speaker. Nigeria is not there. These are the countries that they gave the name as Antigua. They gave Australia, Bahamas, Barbados, St. Lucia, St. Vincent, and all that. So if these are the countries that they consider native English speakers, if your country is not here, then you either have to provide the English language certification, or they said if you have completed an entire degree program fully taught in English in one of the native English speaking countries listed above, then the proof of English language proficiency is waived. But please let it be known that the English language requirements for this particular masters is not the same. It may not be the same for another Erasmus program. So don't say because for this Emotion, that's the masters in skincare, they are asking for English language requirements for a Nigerian. It does not mean, or for your country, whether Nigerian, Pakistan, Ghanaian, does not mean that another Erasmus scholarship will also ask for a English language certification. So please don't allow this one to derail you. I just picked this as an example. So when we are done with our English language requirements, let's look at visa requirements. Just They just explain to you to check whether you meet, whether you need to apply for visa and all that. Whether you need to apply for visa and all that. Now the application procedure. This is the link that you use and apply. It's going to be opening November 1st to January 31st for the first round. But this round is the only one for Erasmus Mundus. So you don't want to follow this May 1st. These ones are for self-funded people. Now the application process is organized by the University of Piemonte, and all the required documents must be submitted online. Now I already showed you that the first round is for scholarship holders, and so it's the first round that is applicable to you. So let's look at the documents you need. You have to download a declaration form here and fill it up. You have to submit your CV, and it should be with your date and signature. It should be written clearly and effectively. They didn't give like a minimum or maximum number of pages you can use, but just write it well and keep it neat and easily understood. Now your university degree diploma, you're going to be showing your transcript, you're going to be showing your certificate for bachelor's degree since you're applying for a master's, your academic record, that's your transcript. English proficiency, I already showed you. You may have to show proof of English proficiency. You have to also present a scanned copy of your document, that's the bio page. Your motivational letter, you have to write a motivational letter, and it should be maximum of 750 words, and the candidate should explain how past experiences have prepared you for participation in the Emotions Masters program, and how the program is likely to improve your career perspective, why you are interested in the program, and which mobility track you see yourself following in the third semester. Now, if your last degree is older than 5 years, you have to explain in your motivational letter why you choose to go back to university. Now, the emotion qualified student for a master's degree, if you already hold a master's degree and you want to apply for this, you have to convincingly justify the reasons why you want to pursue a new master's degree in your letter. So if you already have a master's degree, they don't say no apply, but you have to explain to them why you want to apply for another master's degree. Now your reference letter, you have to provide one reference letter which must be written in English from a university professor or employer. You have to put their contact details of the person providing the reference. So they want a working email address and a telephone. And the reference letter should be addressed to the Joint Admission Board, Emotion Masters. Now, only complete application that meet the requirements to be considered. Be aware that when you're applying, all attachments have to be filled in one session. If you save and go, and if you leave it, the application system does not save data, so you have to start all over again when you come back. They say do not wait for the last minute for the deadline when you are applying. Now, if the system registers your time of submission after 11:59, after the application deadline, you will not be considered eligible. So please don't wait till that day. Submit it on time. And once you have submitted, you'll not be able to make any changes. Now, once you have submitted, you also receive a confirmation email. Now they have the next step, selection, pre-enrollment, but we're not interested in that. So when it is November 1st, if you're interested in this, just click on this link. It will take you to this page. Now you see the application portal is not yet open. It's 1st November before it will be open. So that's all. This is just an example. You know that you still have a lot of master's program that you can check out. We have Masters of Risk Assessment, Management and Civil Infrastructure. This one is called No Risks. We have Erasmus Mundus Just Master's Program in Imaging. Please make sure you read them properly, because I just gave you a quick summary of how to apply for one. Many of them have different application steps. Some of them you have to pick their different tracks. So you have to pick which track you're interested in. So that's why I'm bringing it to you early. Some of them are already open, as I said. Some of them are going to be opening soon. So please take your time and read. I realize that a lot of people don't read. You just rush into to go and apply for a scholarship. What I provide here is just a quick summary, because I cannot take you through everything, because most of you will not watch it. So the responsibility falls on you as the applicant to make sure that you read adequately and check out in more detail so that you'll be well equipped and you know how to apply. So that's all for the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship 2025. Please do well to check it out. If you have any questions and if you have any comments or if you have any recommendation for me, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.